Good morning. It's Margaret, and it's not really Facebook Live, but it's kind of Facebook Live. So it is Friday, and Dave and I are off visiting the wilds of the UP, and I wanted to make sure that I got a chance to talk to you because we have some really fun things going on right now. First, I want to make sure that you know, yes, we still have a giveaway. So if you go ahead in the next 24 hours, put in the comments that you shared. Now you do need to share, please share. So it's really helpful for us to help us grow and be able to keep giving you all these wonderful deals and the great fabrics and everything. So if you go ahead and share, and then you put in the comments that you shared, your name will get put in a giveaway. And this week we are giving away the Blooming Wallflowers. This is a Krista Watson's quilts pattern. It's super cute and it is a really fun pattern, and I am giving that away this Friday. So what I wanted to let you know is today through the end of the month, we are going to have a very special floor model and demo sale. So we've got some things that are still available that we're going to be you, and there's going to be new products coming out, and I need to move some stuff. So we are making some deals. So the prices I tell you today are what I can legally advertise, but some of them, and I'll let you know which ones, you might even get a little bit better deal. So let's start for starters on this Q16 on a folding table. This is our floor model. We've had it for a few minutes. It has almost no stitches on it, but we would like it to go to a good home. Right now, it is set up at the height that it would be for someone my height, but it can go at least 3 inches higher. But it really is perfect for someone who is in the 5'4" or shorter range. So it is set up and ready for you to go. And guess what you get with these? You get free delivery. So if you would like to have this Q16, the foldable table, and have it, we are selling this now for $5,999. So I wanted to make sure you knew about that. Let's roll around here and talk about our Q16 Plus. This means that at a later date, you could add Q-matic to it. We have this beautiful setup right here, and it is got the ability to go from a 5-foot to a 10-foot. Bernina has stopped that, and going forward, all of their table or all their studio frames are going to either be a 5-foot or they're going to be a 10-foot. This one you can go both directions, so you can start off with this in your house at a 5-foot, and you can make it a 10-foot later on. You can also add Q-matic to it at the 10-foot range. So this is going to be another one that's on those demos. When you come into the shop, look for, oh, I thought I had it with me, Dave. Here, give me a second. I'm going to pull this one off of here so people can see. Look for these signs. Look for these signs, and you will be able to talk to anybody here. They are going to be able to tell you what the prices are. If you pay with cash, check, or your personal credit card, you might even get a little bit more of a discount. So the other thing you can use is the Bernina credit card. So don't think you can't use that, but of course we can give a better discount to those not using that. Okay, so we're going to come over here. We've got a couple of Cape machines. We've got the beautiful Cape 475. It comes with its own carrying case, so you can take it with you to retreats. That one is going to have a special price. There is the Cape edition here. You can get this with or without the embroidery package, and it also comes with its beautiful cases. There's going to be a special price on this. So I will be putting all this information on the internet for at least the sale prices. So look for those for your floor model. Okay, we're going to be moving back to the other part of the store. So we're going to move a little faster. So, how are you doing there, Dave? He made a face. So, all right. So guys, don't forget to share. We would love to have you share. Okay, so We're also going to talk about this beautiful Laura Star. It's also going to be floor model price. So if you've been thinking about the Laura Star, you're going to get the gorgeous 1980s anniversary edition. Yes, we've used it in the shop for demos, but it is in perfect condition. So that one is going to have a special price on it. I don't want you to forget about this 500 embroidery unit. It is a demo. We've already got it priced down at $36.99. It is a lovely piece. You will really like having an embroidery only machine. This is ready to go out the door with you. So don't forget about that one. All right, let's go ahead and talk about a couple of other machines. Right now, our Bernina, again, look for these signs in the shop and you're going to be able to see what's going on here. So we have a Q20 sitting on a one of the teak cabinets, and this whole thing comes apart. You can add extra table pieces in here, and that machine normally is $14,999. We are offering it $11,999. But again, cash will get you a better discount. All right, let's move around here. I'm not staying very long at any of these because there's quite a few for me to tell you about. We have a used 350 Bernina. This is only $13.50. You can take it home. It's only got 2 million stitches on it. It has been fully serviced. Erin has made sure that it's in good shape for you. We've got all the different stitches that are available to it. It is a very sweet machine. No marks on it. Very, very nice machine. It was well taken care of. All right, we're going to go over here. We just got ourselves in a gorgeous 570. And I'm just going to tell you, I don't remember the price on it, but it will be priced and ready to go when you come in if you're thinking of 570. So you've got your 570. It's got the Bernina stitch regulator. It has the dual feed. It's used. It's probably going to be at half price of a normal 570. So that's quite the deal. Okay, we have a 153 Virtuoso. It's only got 13 hours on it, folks. It's super cute. It has the transparent red clear, so you can see the motion of this. This would be such a nice present for that young sewer that you want to go ahead and give a present to, maybe a graduation present, something like that. We also have two metal mechanical machines. They are both 830 records. They have their original cases. They have their foot controls, the knee lifts. Everything is here and ready to go. Now, they may not have every single feet that they came with, but they're going to come with a lot of them. And they have, some of them have, this one has over 32 bobbins with it. How can you beat that? So let's go over here. We've got a few more things.
Hey, Margaret, just for a second,
Yeah.
why don't you explain why you even have these used machines?
Because people traded them in.
It-
And so, you know what? We take trade-ins. So if you're thinking about a new machine, you're wondering, if it's a new machine, you can make a trade-in on that. I can't do a trade-in on a used machine, but I am happy to do a trade-in on any of our new machines. And that includes a floor model. I'll talk to you about that too. All right, brand new machine. It was used at the Indiana Heritage Quilt Show by the one of the instructors there. They used it for doing their demonstrations. So we've priced this down. Normally this is $5,999. It is only going to be $4,499. This is a super machine. This is the one I have at home. I love it. It comes with your jumbo bobbin. It has the wonderful big, huge screen on it. You've got your 5.5 millimeter width. This is a really excellent machine for those of you who do clothes, because it's not got the big wide feed dog system, and you're going to really like that it's not going to tend to suck fabric down into there. Okay, this is a brand new machine, and it is going to have a really exceptional sale for this. We've got a $790 full embroidery package with it, everything you could want. This machine has only been here for a couple of months. It has only been turned on and maybe straight stitched on, guys. It is not been used at all. It isn't in the you know, when people talk about floor models and it's got a bunch of stitches and stuff, that's not the case with this one. We know that Bernina is getting ready to introduce a new top of the line model that's going to replace the 790. And so I've got a 790 in here, and you know what? It is an incredible machine. You will love it. You're gonna be really happy with it. It has all the extras. It has the full, you can design your own stitches, all kinds of stuff. This machine normally is $12,999. We are selling it right now for $10,499. It's a $2,500 savings on it, and it's a great deal. Okay, we've got one more machine to tell you about, and I haven't 100% made sure that this is the only one. So you need to come in and see what we've got, because this is a great deal. So what we have is an 880. This was a trade-in. It came with the already upgraded to an 880 Plus. It doesn't say 880 on Plus, but it does have the software in there. This has your full embroidery package. It does everything that you could want. It only has 4 million stitches on that, and on an 880, that is nothing. This is fully loaded. Everything that came with this machine is with this one, and you can take this home for less than half price. It is only $7,499. This machine normally is a $16,000 machine. So that's what we've got for you today. I wanted to make sure that I gave the girls something to do while I was gone. So come into the shop. They'll have a price list. They will know what they can do for you. Most of the machines, they'll be able to demonstrate them for you. And if you have any questions, and if you want to just put a hold on the machine, you can go ahead and put a deposit down on it. If you want me to talk to you about it when I come back, I'll be back on Tuesday, and I can talk to you about that. But Alice will be here for Friday and Saturday, so she can help you. So don't feel like you can't do that. Don't forget, we have a giveaway today. And please share this video with your friends, because if they're thinking about trading up on their machines, they want to do something different, they're looking for a really good deal. Do you want a machine that's going to last you for a really long time and make you super happy? Bernina's will do that. And the thing I wanted to express in this particular video is, don't forget, when you get a machine from the University of Sewing, you get comprehensive lessons on how to use it. You can come back at any point in time and retake those lessons. You are welcome to call us at any point in time. We are not one of those shops where they're like, oh, well, you know, they'll get back to you and they never call you back. We don't do that. We take care of you, and we want you to have a great experience with your Bernina. So right now is an amazing time to buy, and you've only got a short window of time to take advantage of these things. So make sure that you come in, take a ride, take a demo on your machine, and take it home with you, because you're going to be really happy with your Bernina sewing machine, because it's going to solve those ridiculous problems that you were always fussing with. You don't want a machine that you fuss with. Berninas are not that machine. You're going to go home and you're going to be really happy, and you're going to be able to make all the things that you've been thinking about, because you don't have to mess with your sewing machine. I used to have machines at different points in my life where it felt like every time I sat down at them, I had to fuss with them before they would do what I wanted. And then sometimes I still didn't get that to happen. You won't have that experience with a Bernina. And we will help you make sure you don't. Oh, and make sure you look at all the open sewing things that I've set up recently. So if you have some time, maybe it's rainy that day, you want to come in and sew with some other people and have some people around you, come on in for open sewing. You'll have a lot of fun. Lots of classes are being scheduled for July, so make sure you look at that schedule. It's going to start getting hot, and you're not going to want to be outside in that heat. Come on in, take a class, have some fun. July is very special around here. I don't know if you noticed, but we have some Christmas fabric starting to show up, and we are going to do an amazing Christmas in July time. One of the big things we're going to do is we're going to do a demo open house on it is the 15th of July. It's a Saturday, and we're going to have stuff going on all that day. But the month of July, if you haven't signed up for our email, make sure you do that, because there's going to be some great specials on things I don't normally have on sale. So you're going to see lots of different sales. One every week we'll do, and there'll be some special things in there. And we will have the Christmas fabric out, and everything's going to be Christmas themed. It'll be a lot of fun. Share our video, Wallflowers from Christus Quilts, and you can win this cute pattern. It's really fun. It doesn't take a ton of extra fabrics. I'll bet you've already got a fat quarter bundle that will work with this. So go ahead and share, and then go ahead and put in the comments that you shared so you can get entered in the drawing. Everybody have a wonderful Friday, and we will see you tomorrow. Again, it's going to be not exactly Facebook Live, but we'll be here. We'll do a video for you and have some fun things for you. We'll see you next on Saturday. Hopefully you'll come into the shop and keep the girls happy. So have a great day.